Hi everyone, don't you just love it when someone comes up with an innovative idea that solves a problem that exists in the market? This is one of those things. Let me show you what it does. So this is the heat shrink solder connector. This is the package that it comes in, and as you can see, it comes in various different sizes. So I'll show you a quick demonstration on how it's used. So basically what I've done here, I've put one wire in this side and I've put one wire in this side. Basically they're going to sit in between the solder itself. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat it with the soldering iron, and the solder will melt onto the wire. As you can see now, that has melted the solder and made a solid joint. So as you can see, this is a much thinner wire, right? And again, the same thing again. I've threaded the black wire through up to the solder joint, same with the red wire, up to the solder joint again. And now what we're going to do, we're just going to heat the shrink wrap up, and you're going to see the solder melt. So now you can see from this, the wire has joined really well. My heat gun's a bit strong, to be honest. It's not really good for this. Thank you for taking the time out to watch the video. If you watch the video all the way to the end, please like and subscribe. It'll help the channel. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. I'll also leave a link down below for the product. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.